The third way we're going to learn to glaze our pot would be to glaze the inside one color and glaze the outside another color. So the first thing we're still going to do is dip the pot in some wax, and when we lift this up, make sure that we don't turn it over so the wax doesn't drip up the side of the pot. Okay, so that's dry. We're going to now use a cup, and we're going to scoop a cup of glaze up and pour this into the inside. Halfway is good, and then as you pour this out, you need to spin your pot to make sure that it's coated all the way on the inside. Okay, as you can see, we got it on the inside, not on the outside. So I'm going to move over to my second bucket, and since the top of this pot is still just a little bit wet, I can see that it's a little shiny up here. I'm going to do the bottom first and then the top second. So I'm going to mix up my glaze. I'm going to hold the top and dip down into the bucket quickly, just 1 second, in and out. We're going to let that dry. You can see that once it's not shiny, then I can touch the pot, and I'm going to flip it upside down and dip the top. You want to dip quickly so you don't get too much of the other color on the inside. You'll hear just a little bit of a pop. Okay, and you'll do the same thing. You'll let it dry. You can see the color difference once it dries too. And you can see that it only went, quarter to a half an inch on the inside of the pot. So that's the third way that you can learn how to glaze the inside one color and the outside another color.